logic gate is dramatically ideological diagram model for physical electronic device. It is very important for Boolean functions. As we know, number system is important for to process the data. We know that from last video, binary number system, which is 0 and 1, is used to understand by machine. Now each number system has some operations as in decimal number system. So same as applicable here Boolean operations we will discuss later. So here, so all operations take place by digital diagram through gates, which is well known ideological diagram, or we can say that functional diagram. These functional diagram or ideological diagrams are AND or not NAND nor XOR. But before this, we can understand the Boolean functions. A binary variable can take the value 0 and 1. A Boolean function is an expression formed with binary variables. The two binary operations are OR and AND. The unary operators NOR, parenthesis and equal sign. For a given value of the variables, the functions can be either 0 or 1. So a binary variables can take the value of 0 and 1. A Boolean function is an expression formed with binary operations. Two binary operations are 0 or and usually operators not parenthesis and equal sign. So we can understand the Boolean function. This Boolean function represented by the gates diagram. This is ideological diagram. So these diagrams are here and or not inverter, exclusive XOR, NOR. So these are the gates. These are the diagram of the gate. Now AND is first one, second one is OR, third one is A and B, whereas this is XOR. Fourth one is buffer. Buffer is called NOT. Inverter, NOT. This is inverter. This is buffer, and this is for this is A and B. This is NAND. This is NOT.
This is
and
NOT.
This is XNOT. XNOT. It's exclusive OR. So these are the gates. Some Boolean functions are expressed in terms of AND or NOT expression. It is easier to implement a Boolean function with these type of gates. The possibility of constructing gates for the other logic operation is of physical interest. Functions to be weighted when considered the constructions of other type of logic gates. These logic gates have some truth table on behalf of their work. This is for the first AND gate. We have the truth table 0. First, we will take the two inputs X and Y. X and Y, when 0, 0, output will be 0. 0, 1, output will be 0. 1, 0, output will be 0. 1, 1, output will be 1. For OR gate, we will take the truth table 0, 0, output 0. 0, 1, output 1. 1, 0, output 1. 1, 1, output 1. So this is the truth table for OR. And when the inverter, the truth table inverter, it means complement, or you can say that the inverse x 0 1 1 0. When input will be 0, output will be 1. When input will be 1, output will be 0. So here is buffer. Buffer will be 0 0 1 1. This will be the complement. Now here is NAND. NAND is 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0, output 1 1 1, output 0. So again NAND gate truth table is 0 0, output 1, 0 1, output 1, 1 0, output 1, 1 1, output 0. Here is the second next one will be NOR. NOR truth table is 0 0 output 1, 0 1 output 0, 1 0 output 0, 1 1 output 0. Now the next one is exclusive OR. The truth table is 0 0 output 0, 0 1 output 1, 1 0 output 1, 1 1 output 0. So next one is exclusive OR. The truth table is 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. So these are the truth table for exclusive OR, exclusive NOR, NAND, buffer, inverter or AND gate. So this is very important to learn for this chapter. The graphic symbols and truth tables of 8 gates are we seen. So each gate has one or two binary input variable. Here is a term truth table. Truth table is a logic chart that shows the truth value of one or more compound propositions for every possible combinations of truth table propositions making up the compound. So we can understand the truth table, we can understand